Dírithe cardja is me Keevan a Cuolí, agus is ifigach Fhorbairt in the breise le form the Óga. We would like to welcome you here today to the Sólás and Óga Research Report launch. The report is titled Ag Cothú Comhpháirtíochta, Exploring and Developing Opportunities for Collaborative Practice Among Irish Medium Schools and Youth Services for Young People with Additional Needs.
In addition, our young people have been a central part to the advocacy work of our new Cleachtóirí multi-purpose capital facility. As part of this work, we have done detailed work with staff and architects regarding the development of a bespoke sensory room and sensory garden in the new facility. This will enable us to match the ambitious vision of Sólás and Óga. This is why research like this is so vital. It gives us the evidence base we need to drive change, to advocate for better policies and proper resources, and to ensure that no young person is left behind simply because the world has not adapted to include them. I would like to express our heartfelt thanks to our incredible young people we work with, along with their parents and caregivers, for their unwavering support and participation in this project. Programmes like Sólás and Óga are not just programmes. We aspire to grassroots social change and equality by providing a voice for those who are often left unheard. We aim to build on our advocacy work in order to shine a light on the barriers young people with additional needs face, but more importantly, to highlight their strengths and aspirations and provide them with opportunities that are much needed to ensure they thrive. As we find ourselves in the final year of the funding of this project, it is essential that we reflect on the importance of such participatory action research and allowing us to advocate for these young people, ensure that unique pioneering services like ours continue to grow and exist. This is just the beginning. What we do with this knowledge is what truly matters. Let us use it to create action, to challenge outdated thinking, and to build a future where every young person, regardless of their needs, can thrive and reach their full potential. Ghaeilgeoirí Lynn.
It's a space for growth, belonging, empowerment, when young people can build their confidence, develop skills and shape their future. I want to express my deepest gratitude to the incredible staff and funders for all your dedication and hard work. Your impact makes a real difference every day.
The research has provided valuable insights into the critical role of youth work in supporting young people with additional needs by creating safe, inclusive spaces, fostering meaningful relationships and bridging the gap between formal and informal education. We can ensure these young people receive the support that they need to thrive. Moving forward then, implementing these recommendations will help strengthen the impact of youth services here like Sólás and Óga, ensuring that young people are empowered, supported and given the opportunities they deserve to reach their full potential. So,
the project itself wanted to naturally empower young people, but also wanted to look at their social and emotional well-being. So I think we can clearly say, having listened to everything today, that the project has done a good job. This report clearly states their social and emotional well-being is going well. Maybe a bit hard to measure it, but I would say, if you listen to some of the quotes in here, some of the quotes in this are brilliant. Really, really pertinent in terms of how the young people feel when they come here. They feel happy and they feel they can be themselves. And that's all, like, as funders, that's all we want. We want people to be happy, we want people to be engaged, we want people to be empowered, and particularly under this programme, we want the young people to be empowered. So we can say they've done a good job in terms of all the research. This research clears it up well. There's a couple of pertinent points that Orla has mentioned that I was going to say. The space was very good because the space itself is good for the young people to come to the space, but it gives them space to develop. So space is, you're not necessarily talking just in terms of an area, you're also talking emotionally, which is very good. And then you also talk in terms of relationships. You're talking, it's relationships not just for the young people developing, but they're developing with the schools and everything else. So everything we would want the project to be doing is very good. And that's what we can't say much more than that there.